Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new or just passing by, welcome to you as well. Today I'm doing a video, a tag that's going around. It was started by Jerusha Couture. I know plenty of luxury YouTubers have done this tag now, and I decided to join in and put my own little spin on it. It is going to be my 5 top luxury items to have with me at all times. So, it's my kind of must-haves, things that I have in my collection. So if you guys have been following me at all, if you've watched any of my other videos, I'm just building my collection. And really it's not going to be an actual collection per se. It's just going to be the things I want to have, but I kind of call it my collection. So I'm going to start off randomly. It's just going to be random. I've picked 5 things that I wanted to share with you that I think are necessities. Now for me, they don't have to be luxury, but I'm going to show you the luxury ones that I have because those are my favorite. So let's go ahead and jump into this. And I'll start with number 1. So the first item I'm going to share with you is this beautiful bag right here. This is my Artsy. I have a couple videos on this. I will link those if you're interested. My first number 1 would be a bag. I love this bag. This is actually my only luxury full-blown bag. I know. I'm just getting into luxury. I got this for Christmas. There are a couple of bags I have my eye on, but I've kind of been going into the SLG route, just picking up things to go in it because I really like having a nice big bag and then filling it with all these pretty SLGs. So there are a couple bags I have my eye on that I will hopefully be getting in the near future. But this is it right now. This is my baby. This bag goes with me everywhere. I did have the Melly. If you're interested in that, I'll link that video up above, and that is where my tag is from. It has my initials in it, my luggage tag, and then it also has just the little key clip on the other side as well. But this baby has, and it is full right now, it's very heavy. So I would say my number 1 is a bag. So my number 2 is going to be an SLG. This is a piece that I got within the last few months. I mean, everything I've got is really within the last few months, guys, but this is something that I am just truly enjoying, and to me it is a must-have. Like, if I had to get rid of everything else, this is one of the things that I would be like, I can't get rid of it, I need it. So it is this beautiful baby right here. I've done plenty of videos on this now. It is my Chanel card case in the black caviar leather with the gold, shiny gold hardware. I love this piece. I love that I can just grab it and go. It's a great size. It's, you know, it can fit everything I need, all the cards I really need on a daily/weekly basis. I could stick right in here. It's got the 1 pocket on the front, 1 open in the top, and 2 slips in the back. I just love it. And to me, especially, like, I really love Chanel, and I really wanted to try out their leathers, so I've started with SLGs and I'm so enjoying them. I actually am getting ready to do a video on wear and tear for this little baby. I've had it for a few months now and I just kind of want to go over that, so stay tuned for that. But this is my number 2 must-have in my collection. Okay guys, so my number 3 is another SLG. It's not really an SLG. This is actually listed in the travel section of their website, but it is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. This is my newest piece, and oh my gosh, I am loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. It fits inside of my Artsy, and I think I love it more than the 19. However, the 19 will definitely fit in more bags as I get more luxury bags, and it does fit it more in the bags that I have currently that aren't luxury. But this baby just fits everything, and I like to carry everything with me. Now, I don't carry like my full-size cleansers and my full-size lotions, but I do carry on a daily basis, or I like to at least, carry a lot of my makeup, hand lotion, eyeshadow, like eyeshadow palettes, you know, my powders, a lot of lip glosses. I'm a lip gloss junkie. I have gum in here. This is my big, huge catch-all. And the funny thing is I have this one and my 19 right now in my Artsy. And my mini pochettes. and so much more. But this is such a wonderful piece because not only can it be a catch-all in your big bags, it is a toiletry for traveling. You can fit a full-size you know, shampoo in here and things like that. I am going to do a what fits in this video very soon. You can also use this as a clutch. It is such a great clutch. I have used it a couple times as a clutch and just like kind of under the arm, cute little, carry it with me and go. It's just a great size. I love, love, love it. So this is definitely my number 3. So for my number 4 piece, I really was trying to decide what route I wanted to go. There's a couple different things I thought about, but I had to think about what are my like must-haves, and my next luxury must-have is definitely different than what I've seen other people show. It is a beautiful luxury lip gloss. Or lipstick. I am such a lipstick, lip gloss junkie. I am just so enjoying having a luxury, beautiful lip with me every day. And just, it's just wonderful. I love it. And it is a great way to get into luxury, or to, you know, get a piece of luxury at a more affordable price. I think the lip glosses from Chanel are around $37 maybe, somewhere around there, $30, I don't know. But I have a lot and I'm just so enjoying these. They're beautiful, they fit everywhere. I mean, you can just grab this and, you know, walk out with your card holder and a lip gloss and you're good. So my number 4 is definitely a luxury lip. Okay guys, so this brings us to the number 5 final item I wanted to share with you, and that is going to be a luxury piece of jewelry. I'm gonna share with you one that I'm not even sure is qualified as luxury. I haven't seen any videos, however I haven't really searched any videos. This is my Movado watch, and to be honest, I couldn't even tell you the name of it anymore. There, that's a better visual of it. It's got the crystals here and it's just all gold. I love this watch. I feel like it goes with everything. I wear it with jeans and a t-shirt, and I wear it dressed up and going out. It's just the perfect, like, nonchalant, but I think it's a pretty statement watch. I love, love, love the way it looks. I just think it looks really elegant and simple, and I love the gold. So whether it be, you know, a Tiffany bracelet, a nice watch, something like that, I think having a piece of luxury jewelry in your collection just kind of elevates your outfit, and I think it just brings your whole look together, whether it's earrings, necklace, whatever. But mine would have to be my Movado watch, and I don't know if this is luxury. So you guys, especially my luxe lovers, let me know if this is considered luxury, or if Movado is considered like a contemporary brand. I'm not sure, but for the price point, to me it feels a little like luxury. So those are my top 5. I will have to say I will give an honorable mention to Sunnies. I love designer sunnies. I have some Dolce & Gabbanas. If you're interested in those, I'll do a video on those, because I can't exactly find them right now. I was going to show them to you. But my other ones are Ray-Bans, which to me isn't really luxury, but they are more expensive. They're nicer sunglasses, so I do love those. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love it if you'd give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get updated when I put out a new video. I have some great stuff coming out that I hope you guys will enjoy. And until then, I will see you at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.